Um, Viewers will be very curious, Mark, to know how you plan your trades. Are you reading charts every night? Are you getting up early in the morning? Like, what is a day like for you?
I, in my early days, I was on 15-minute charts, which was terrible. Don't go there, and certainly don't go any lower. With the mentor's help, I went to 4 hour because I went from sitting 8 hours a day in the basement, and then the longer you sat there, you're more likely to do stupid things. And I started going to 4 hour. So then I would half an hour before the 4 hour candle closed, I'd made a plan on the weekend anyway, check the charts. If it did what I wanted, I would take the trade. Nowadays, I do it on a weekly. I do it on a weekend when everything's shut. So there's nothing happening to get the heart going and, ooh, this is interesting. And I just look for patterns. And I look on a weekly and I am looking predominantly, is it going up, down, or sideways is the starting point. And if it's going up, I want to buy. And if it's going down, I want to sell. And then I go on to a daily and I'm trying to find multiple reasons from looking to the left why I think it's probably going to bounce somewhere. And then with FX, that's like 70% of the decision process. And then 30% is, well, what do I think at the minute? Am I dollar positive, dollar weakness? And what news is coming out this week? So a couple of days ago, we had FOMC. Once a month, we have NFP, the American jobs news. All of those events will send the market nuts.
Hmm.
So I step back and I wait until all the dust settles. And then if it comes back to where I want it, then I will buy. So everything for me is weekly. I probably these days I do it in an hour, and and I'm looking for 4 or 5 trades every day. I have a setup on TradingView where I look at the DAXi, I look at the S&P, I look at the Nasdaq, I look at gold, I look at silver, look at stocks, and look at forex because I'm trying to work out every day where the big money's going. Are we in a risk-off environment or are we in a risk-on? And if it's risk-on, then crypto's going to go up. Some of the riskier stocks will go up. That's where the money's going, so that's where I will focus. Prior to Trump, and man, it's got worse in the last few years anyway, but you could be in a risk-on environment for months. Now it changes every flipping day. So you've got to pay attention. But I mean, literally, just the trading side, I don't spend an hour a day.
Okay,
And,
interesting.
and, and to me, less is more. And it's 90% of what I do is planning. So it's not sat in front of the sexy stuff and flashing lights and stuff. I've been through that. It's planning and it's probability.
Are there periods where you just have these $0 invested in any trade and you just sit back and
Oh yeah,
and,
yeah,
and
yeah.
wait?
I mean,
Yeah.
this week I'm in silver a little bit now. I had a trade earlier in the week. Yeah, I mean, I said to people, look, having no position is a good position.